Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel TechNet Guide. Friends, in this video I am going to tell you what is difference between switch and hub and how switch and hub works in networks. So friends, watch this video till the end. Okay? We will understand about difference between switch and hub. So let's start here. Hub and switch. So friend, as you know that hub switch is a networking device which used to connect multiple devices such as a PC, laptop, printer, camera, servers, etc. to make communication with each other. Switch and hub is a centralized device, centralized networking device. So friends, you can see this is my hub. Hub and switch is a centralized device which is used to connect multiple devices together for sharing data information with each other. This PC can share data to this PC and make communication with their server, printers, camera, etc. Okay, so let's see what is difference between switch and hub here. Our first difference is hub is a physical layer device, layer 1 device. Switch is a data link layer device, layer 2 device, which maintain work based on the MAC address of device. Okay, and hub use broadcast domain transmission, switch use unicast, multicast, and broadcast transmission. Okay, so let's see how hub use broadcast and how switch use unicast, multicast, and broadcast domain. So let's see. Let's jump on the slide here. We'll understand how broadcasts work in hub and switch. So friends, you can see. So friends, you can see this is my hub and this is my connected PC here. PC1, PC2, PC3. Okay, this is my connected PC. This is my PC and PC connected with hub. Okay, to share data information with each other. So now let's see how it's work. When PC1 transmit data to PC2, so let's see what will happen, how it is broadcast packet to all other port. Okay, you can see when PC1 transmit data to PC2, it's broadcast to all outgoing port. So friends, you can see PC1 transmit data to PC2 only, but it forwarded to broadcast to all outgoing port here. Unnecessary forwarded to this port PC, unnecessary forwarded to this PC. So only this packet intended for PC2 only. Okay, but to how but is forwarded to all outgoing port except this port. Okay, so friend, this is the biggest disadvantage for security concern. If you are sending any personal data or secure data but is forwarded to this PC also, this PC can capture this data and use. So friend, let's see how this PC recognize and accept this packet and how this PC recognize and discard the packet and how this PC recognize and discard the package. So as you know that any frame contains the source MAC and destination MAC. Okay, based any when this PC send data in it send our source MAC and destination MAC. Destination MAC means this PC MAC address. Okay, let's see how it's work here. Let me show it. So you can see PC1 send data with header. Destination MAC header is 202A. Now our PC2 MAC address is 202A. PC3 MAC address is 303A. PC4 MAC address is 404A. And when PC1 send data to PC2 with destination MAC address 202A, then you will see what will happen. It goes to hub forwarded to all outgoing port and only This MAC address destination MAC address match with PC2 MAC address, and this is not match here, and this is not match here. That's why it's discarded, and this is accepted here. Okay. So friends, let me show you again. When PC1 send data to PC2 with MAC address, destination MAC address PC2, it forwarded to hub forwarded to all outgoing port. Okay, and match with PC2 MAC address, and it's accepted. Now let's see how broadcast work in switch. So friend, let's see how data transmission work in switch. Okay, so you can see this is my switch here. You can see this is my PCs. Okay, PC1, PC2, and PC3. So friends, as you know that switch maintain the MAC table. This is my cam table. You can see cam table or MAC table. This is MAC table here. Okay, switch maintain the MAC table, and when any link connected to port here, it's map the MAC address of this PC and map the port number is 1 here. 1. Okay, so let's see how it's work here. When PC1 connect to port 1, it's map the MAC address of PC1 with port number 1. Now PC2 connected here, it's map the MAC address of PC2, PC3 MAC address map here, port number 3. Now if PC4 connected here, map the MAC address of PC4. This is PC MAC address, PC1 MAC address. This is PC2 MAC address, PC3, PC4 MAC address. Okay, it's map the MAC address of with the port number. You can see connected port number. So let's see how it's work. Now when PC1 send data to PC2, PC1 send data to PC2. See, it's search the destination port on the MAC table with the destination MAC address. You can see destination MAC address is PC2 MAC address. Is search here and find out the port number, destination port number, and destinate the packet and send the packet to send out packet to PC2 port number F0 by 2. Okay, so let me show you again how it's work. PC1 try to send packet to PC2, send here, it search to cam table MAC address, find out the port number and destination port number, and send out packet to destination port number, destination PC specific port number. Okay, now you have seen it not sended, so it's not sended to other ports here. That is a big advantage of switch. So let me show you again process. So let's see another difference here. Another difference is hub is a half duplex device and switch is a full duplex device. Let's see how half duplex device work and how full duplex device work. So you can see this is my hub. It's a half duplex device. So friends, in the half duplex you can send data only one way at the same time. Okay, you cannot send both way at the same time. Let me show you. Here is my packet. It's going to, it's okay in half duplex at the same time only one way. Let me show you one way. If you try to send both way at the same time, then what will happen? Let me show you. Okay, data discarded here. Let me show you again. At the same time, when you will try to send data, what will happen? Data will be discarded here. Okay, now in the switch is a full duplex device. In full duplex at the same time you can send data to both way. Okay, let me show you here. At the same time, you can send data to both way. Okay, there is no issue in full duplex. Fourth is hub does not allow packet filtering and switch allow packet filtering. Means what is packet filtering? So in packet filtering, it's like you can create access list. Okay, you can block this device to access this device. You can block this device to access or this device. Okay, with the help of access list. In the switch, you can create access list. That's why it's allow packet filtering, and hub is not allow any packet filtering. Okay, so let me go back to slide here. Now next is switch hub है it has one broadcast domain and one collision domain, and switch reduce the number of broadcast domain and it has multiple collision domain. So let me show you what is broadcast and collision domain here. Okay. Broadcast domain, as we have seen that if you send packet broadcast domain, it's a single broadcast domain, means all ports in single broadcast domain. So if you send packet to this PC, okay, it should be transmit only this PC. But in single broadcast domain, what will happen? It's forwarded to all outgoing port. Packet will be forwarded to all outgoing port. Okay. And collision domain, single collision domain means it has only single collision domain. Means when this PC try to send packet to this PC and this PC tried to send packet to this PC, tried to send packet to this PC packet tried to send packet to this PC packet tried to send packet to this data will be collide here. Okay, that is a single collision domain here. At a time, only single at a time, if multiple device send packet to this PC, it will be collide here. It's a single collision domain. But is in switch, let me show you in switch. Switch is a multiple broadcast domain. Means it can be unicast. Suppose this PC send data to this PC, it only send to this PC unicast. Okay, it can be group, multicast, or it can be broadcast. Okay, so and what is collision domain? So in switch, suppose we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Suppose we have a 10 port here. So we have 10 collision domain. 10 collision domain means at the same time this PC can send packet to this PC can send packet to this PC can send packet to this one can send means 10 collision domain here, and data will not collide here. Okay, so you have seen what is a collision domain here. How does not maintain MAC table, and switch maintain the MAC table. Let me show you how switch maintain. Let me show you live example here. Okay, so let's run command here. Show MAC address table. So let me show you MAC address table. When device connected to switch, is map the MAC address with the port number. Okay, connected port number. You can see this is a MAC table in switch. Okay, so another advantage is you can create VLAN in switch. Okay, so let me show you how to create VLAN in switch. Suppose so suppose we have a show IP interface brief. Okay, multiple ports here. We can create VLAN like we can create multiple VLAN here. we can create multiple villain like villain 10, villain 20, villain 30, like this. Okay, so just see, just run here, so villain. So you do so villain. You can see we have created this villain. In switch we can also create villain. Okay, so friends, in this video we have seen what is switch and hub and how switch and hub is work, what is difference between switch and hub. So thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.